Alrighty. I was thinking of working in for our new year. For me, is to look at letting go of what areas we can look at, and so here I'm going to start with uh, curvature that blocks my turning radius. That's a good idea. And then there's the other one, clutter. Clutter. Woohoo! Anytime we can do that for the floor or low shelves. Creaching, twisting, or straining daily. Yeah. We don't want to get caught into that one. And we don't want to get caught to feeling bad or about needing adaptive, things that we absolutely need to, that we can't do in it, that it has to be adaptive, and we can't do this and we can't do that. No, we need to look at that. So let's talk about our new year. A good one. Open pathways. Pathways. So open pathways, really important. So, and that's for me, at least one clear route from bed or door or closet that I think it'll still work somewhere. Bedside caddy, and that's a new idea. And I'm hoping in the next, maybe in another week, that I might get a new caddy that'll help me really to have what I need in the bed area. So, and also calls a rolling cart, so that's possible for the bed area. Then a good thing for my new year. Uh, I'm not sure about this one. Louder clothing, rods, or I'm not sure at this one, but let me look at the next one that'll work for me better. For this, it'll be a a ball. It's a wall hooks at wheelchair height for bags or jackets or gear. So that could be working me. And then for the leer, a little bit more smart plugs. I need quite a few though ideas. So for the plugs that we need, and for the noises. Sometimes we have noise that'll help me. Noise controlled lights. So sometimes the sign, will help with controlled lights to reduce the reaching. So that will good for me when I'm putting everything in and getting into bed, and then I have something that they will let me do that'll work. The new one is a mirror angled for seated use. Seated. So a mirror angled for seated use. So that's a good. I have a new one that was put into my in the bathroom. So, and I want to make sure that it doesn't get broken or anything. So, so that's an important way. All right, let's talk about bathroom. Let's talk about our, because that is certainly, changey there. So let's look at our year. So let's look at our Lou year. Slipper rugs. We don't want to do that. We don't want a full shower set tubs. That feel unsafe. No, we don't want to go that one. We don't want that one for sure. And then there is products that require standing or twisting. Yeah, I don't want that. No. So I want to avoid that one. And rushing through personal care. No, we don't want to do that either. So something that is, that will help. So that piece, we want to say, letting go on that piece. But let's look at, shooting instead. So we want to go at the next one at non-slip rubber backs, both, for the mats, for the mats. So we want non-slips in our bathtub. So that's really important. I don't have a bathtub. I have a shower, but maybe that will help me on this one. Rear. This one is called Secure Shower for the chair. Yeah, and I do have a chair that I just get into that situation to keep it, transfer bench. So that either one of those two. So I use a chair that I can get in and start for the shower. So that works. Because I have some other things I need to get connected in there. The other one is we can look at for the time. Hand held shower head. Hand held, and I already have one, but it's not quite working I want best. I want to see if we can get that one changed, but we'll see what happens. Then we have another pump for bottles or wall mounted dispenser. What is it? I don't know. Bottles or wall mounted dispensers. I don't know. I haven't done those, but I don't have think I need those. Then there is grab a bars where I actually need them. So grab bars. So kind of look at those. I have already some of those. And so I can't think that I have any more. I can't have any more grab bars. So those are important. And I have some in the room, not only just my bathroom. Lower tower shook cook. So cooks, and shelves. I don't know. Lower towel hooks. I think I have a few of those anyway. So they're all over the place where I can have hooks. So I have a ton of those. A small waterproof shift or basket. I wanted to say a little moment for this baths and our needs. I have come to end it up to I have catheters. So I have to change my parts to turn out, So when I'm doing the catheters, I need to connect in a special uh, connect little area there in my, in my shower. So and it makes me simple to be able to do my baths. so it all works. So I don't have any concern about that. But I just wanted to let you know some people don't have catheters, but I do. So I just wanted to let you know, and the things that I'm cautious when I'm going through the bathroom. So, a small waterproof shelved or basket. So that sometimes that can help for people looking at those. Safely in the bathroom equals freedom. Freedom for very everywhere. So safety, yes, we need to be safety over those. All right, so emotional. We already went through, our bathroom when we looked at already, or I looked that I'm working through this, but I worked through the room, that I look at those, and we've done all of those. And then I have an emotional, practical add-ons. So, for me, giving myself permission to residing my space, and that I do all that time. And I still have some things that, today they are helping me, and they had to redo my whole, what's it called, the bed itself. They redid the whole thing. So it's still working just fine, and I'm ready good for that. So let me see. Yes. And they told me another piece of place. I'm supposed to read it. No, to write. So, and eat. So the other one is permission. So we want to keep that one going, and celebrating small upgrades as big wins. So yeah, why not? Small upgrades. So that's good. And then there's also the ones for me, and the emotional going through my room is making my home fit me, not the other way around. So, because sometimes we get it, in a way that be all kinds of things, but we want to make sure that it's warm. We're in we had so much rain today, and it was very cold. So we want to make sure that that my room is okay, and it's warm enough. So so I always have to think of that. So letting go isn't about loss. Letting go isn't about loss for myself, and it's about choosing safety, and up court and confidence. So one room at a time. So a room at a time. And my bathroom is really that place that that I'm constantly making sure that I'm okay and that I'm not going to slip and have some kind of crazy thing. So I want to make sure that goes, for the bathroom, that it's okay, because there are some there's last minute things that I have to do every every day for my bathroom. So I got to remember that. Um, so this is really important. So I'm hope this is for me, but I'm also hoping that you might have some ideas that might you in all your things this year and the new year, that for your room or for bathroom or shower or any of those things that seem like it's good. It'll work. But think of it. So don't forget of script for us, to putting ideas for us and me, and how did I do? How did I go? So did I work? Did I work on this one? So did this help for me? And if that, give me some ideas in if I made things better for the room for me and for the bathroom. Those are two things that I have to always, my room, getting some good sleeping and all that kind of stuff, and being able to read, to just sit around and enjoy good music, or fun to meet people and all that kind of stuff. So think about it. I'm hoping that it will work for me, and I'm hoping that it might give some ideas for you as well. And I'm hoping that you'll be able to, to write from, to put a little mote, a little not mote, a little note here, and say, oh yeah, you happen this or you happen that, you have, or I wouldn't do this. So it all depends. So hopefully everything will good. And this morning I started really in the morning because I had to go to the doctor's office, and so, oh my God, I had to leave really early in the morning, and it was raining for tons. And like, oh no. But I got here, and it's okay. And I was able to, to trip, to come here and ride. I was okay. So I didn't break anything. So that's good. And hopefully in a couple of days I'll get some more ideas, and things will get better. So, so let me know how my new year is doing for me. Is gonna feel good, and it feels safety, and I hopefully maybe it might happen for somebody else too here. So think about your new year and keep mine. Thanks. We'll see you all soon.